Hello everyone, this is Peter. Welcome to the study of HEXACO-60, a revisit. I'm an undergraduate student at the Concordia University, the Psychology Department. An overview of our topic today, we're going to go into the introduction, look at past research, we're going to tell you my hypotheses, show you the methods, we're going to go over the results, and eventually we'll talk about a conclusion. Based on the Big Five personality theory, Ashton and Lee developed the HEXACO personality inventory. It had 200 questions, and then they decided to go for a shorter version with 60 questions. They wanted to make sure that we can study personality in a shorter period of time. The goal of our project is to replicate their study. We're looking for divergent validity. According to Samuel Messick, divergent validity can be obtained when two items that are not measuring the same thing are not in reality correlated. Messick also suggested that validity is context dependent, and thus it should be continually inspected. To list our hypotheses, we start with how orthogonal are the dimensions of HEXACO-60. We expect weak correlations between dimensions, and thus a correlation smaller than 0.30. H2, we're expecting positive moderate correlation between openness experience and extroversion. H3 and H4, weak positive correlations between honesty, humility, and conscientiousness, openness to experience, and conscientiousness. To start with our participants, we had 199 Concordia undergraduate students. They had to sign a consent online. They did the survey through Qualtrics. They did a HEXACO-60 model questionnaire, moral identity scale, belief bias, GPA, and other questions like estimated outdoor activity and estimated intelligence. In our result, we see that our first hypothesis was only partially met. Second, third, and fourth hypotheses were not. The biggest correlations we see in this table are between honesty, humility, and conscientiousness, 0.44, and conscientiousness and openness to experience, 0.30. One of our hypotheses was to find a small positive correlation between openness to experience and extroversion, and what we find in our results are a negative 0.19 correlation. This means that our results do not fully mirror the result pattern observed in the Ashton and Lee study. While our original hypothesis was to find convergent validity to the HEXACO model, our results do not fully support that, which makes us question the divergent validity of the construct, because even a weak correlation means something in the proper context. The different results we got could be attributed to the convenient sample we relied on. Thus, we suggest future studies to use a more representative sample to control for individual differences and other demographics, and perhaps do a longitudinal study to continue evaluating the validity of the constructs. Thank you.